This is a circle. The plate is circle in shape. This is a semicircle. The table is semicircle in shape. This is an octagon. This tent is octagon in shape. This is a lemon stick. The necklace is lemon stick in shape. This is a prism. The wooden block is prism in shape. This is an oval. A cooking pot is oval in shape. This is a pyramid. The flame tower is pyramid in shape. This is a triquetra. The pendant is triquetra in shape. This is a quadrilateral. The side table is quadrilateral in shape. This is a square. These glasses are square in shape. This is a quadrant. The corner shelf is quadrant in shape. This is an arc. The rainbow is arc in shape. This is a triangle. The warning sign is triangle in shape. This is a diamond. The gem is diamond in shape. This is a heptagon. The pillbox is heptagon in shape. This is a trapezium. The purse is trapezium in shape. This is a cube. The stool box is cube in shape. This is a parallelogram. The full clutch purse is parallelogram in shape. This is a rhombus. The earrings are in rhombus in shape. This is a squircle. The candle holder is squircle in shape. This is a rectangle. The mirror is rectangle in shape. This is a cuboid. The colorful block is cuboid in shape. This is a dodecagon. The plant pot is dodecagon in shape. This is a star. The figures on the sheet are stars in shape. This is a cylinder. The gas container is cylinder in shape. This is a cone. The traffic object is cone in shape. This is a pentagon. The jewelry box is pentagon in shape. This is a decagon. The mirror is decagon in shape. This is a trapezoid. The table is trapezoid in shape. This is a nonagon. The plate is nonagon in shape. This is an arrow. The marking sign is arrow in shape. This is a crescent. The moon is crescent in shape. This is a cross. The figure is cross in shape. This is a line. The ducklings stand in line. Thank you. I hope you found this video interesting and informative. We welcome your valuable feedback. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel and share it. Take care. शुक्रिया। इस उम्मीद के साथ कि आपको ये वीडियो दिलचस्प लगी होगी, हम आपकी कीमती आरा के मुंतज़िर हैं। मज़ीद इसी तरह की वीडियोस के लिए बराह मेहरबानी हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर करें। अपना ख्याल रखिएगा।